Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a story in Geometry Dash. So first step is use text objects and dialogues boxes to introduce your story. So you can place them at the start of your level or between gameplay sections. Next is use spawn triggers to control when the story elements appear. So this allows you to create timed cutscene sequences, and then create character animation using move and rotate triggers. So you can also choreograph cutscenes moments with precise timing. So simple animation often work better than the complex ones. Next step is you'd use fade triggers and color effects to create smooth transitions between story scenes and gameplay sections. Lastly is complete your story level. So your narrative level is complete, so the players will experience your story as they play through the level. So you can also get feedback from the players on story clarity and pacing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.